these are all my things that I'm taking to my 1-month trip to Central America, because I feel like I kind of hacked all my packing and it usually takes like 15 minutes to pack. Because you know what I have? I have a list of things that I usually take all the time or usually take to all my trips. This saves me a lot of time. But now I'm gonna show you what I actually have. So one trick that I do all the time is that I usually lay down all my clothes to my bed, and I usually take like half of it. This is the half. I had like 10 t-shirts and like 6 pair of shorts. So this is actually all I'm gonna need. This is the backpack I'm taking. It's North Face. It has 28 liters. It's amazing. I hope it's amazing because I have it for like 1 day. But it's bigger than my usual backpack, so I'm pretty excited. And I actually have a matching backpack with my travel buddy. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you that I have a travel buddy. Let's call him right now.
Hi, I'm Filip. Look at our matching backpacks.
So we basically pack the same things. One life hack when you're traveling in a pair is that you don't have to take like some things twice. You know, we are sharing like a shampoo or a toothpaste. If you don't have any clean shirts, you can borrow your travel buddies, you know.
Oh yes, we are going to share. Basically, whoever has a space in his backpack is going to take all the sharing items.
I'm gonna show you one amazing thing that I discovered, and it's the washing powder. I hope it's called like this. We are not taking as many clothes, you know, and we're gonna be there for a month, and I have like 5 shirts. So if I'm gonna be stinky, I'm just gonna pour a little of my washing powder into like sink and just wash my clothes, you know. I'm pretty excited to do that because last time when I had a month-long trip, I took so many clothes because I was so scared that I'm not gonna be able to wash them. So now I'm sure, and I'm not taking as many things.
Oh yeah, Natalia is going to wash her clothes, but me, I have this. It's a t-shirt made from merino wool, so I hope I won't need to wash it every day. But of course we will wash our clothes. I'd like to show you what I'm taking, but it's basically the same as Natalie's, so she's gonna do the work.
So we're gonna pack all the things together, and I just wanted to show you one thing. This is my ultimate life hack. My friend actually showed it to me. It's a USB flash drive, and you can like put it to your phone and you can download your photos and videos from your phone. Because if you're like me and you're taking videos and photos of everything, you have a full storage. I'm pretty sure you have full storage on your phone. So this saved my life. You can put it to your phone and just download everything, and you can delete everything from your phone with one button. Wow, buy it. I usually take like trash bags or like some bags to put my dirty clothes in. I usually have this fork, knife thing. Always put all your liquids into like a transparent bag. I'm gonna take this. It's a sleeping mattress. It's very small. I usually use this when I sleep on the airport. I'm sure we're gonna use like couch surfing and we're gonna sleep on the airport. So if the couch surfer doesn't have a bed, we can sleep on the ground. So I'm taking 2 power banks. This is like the one that I use and I always charge, and I always have one that I don't use because you just never know. I never use this one. I always just have it in my bag in case I'm stuck in a desert and I have like 5% left on my phone and I just need to call somebody. I'm just gonna use this one. So a marker, because you never know when you will need to hitchhike. I'm not gonna take my big backpack everywhere with me. Some people might say this is absolutely ridiculous, but I stand by it. It's amazing. You will thank me. I know we're gonna go for a lot of hikes and we're gonna walk a lot, and I don't want to take my 10-kilo backpack with me, so I'm just gonna take my water bottle and my phone, and I'm just gonna put it here. So, and now I'm gonna stuff it to my backpack. And while I'm doing that, Filip is gonna, I don't know, entertain you. Thank you.
Entertain you? Oh well, you will need a lock when traveling locals, because you are probably going to stay in very sketchy hostels. So this one, my grandpa just gave it to me. I know it looks kinda... but I think it's gonna work. And the other thing that I'm taking, but Natalia isn't, is this. A drone.
I have it. I just weighed it. It has 7 kilos. Which is very surprising to me. I have no idea how all of this can have only 7 kilos.
So this is everything that I'm taking. And make sure to follow our journey, because it's gonna be fun. So follow me and Kiwi.com. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like, because it's so fun. It looks so big, but it's not as big as in real life. Trust me. Bye!